Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have an unboxing, which you can't see all the box right now. There we go. So we have an unboxing. There's at least two watches in here I know of from MMI. One's a chronograph. I think the other's a dive watch. And these are on loan. Rob actually had them first and sent them my way. Just using the Swiss Army knife. Need to sharpen it. Maybe I'll do it today. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Anyway, let's get this thing out of here. Alright, gotta close the blade up. Safety first. One, two, wow, 3, 4 watches for this unboxing. That's always fun. Alright, let's get this one first. I'm not sure what these are yet. I have a feeling this one might actually have 2 watches in it. Maybe. Alright, so this is MMI. Yep, okay, so we have 2 in here. So I guess it's a quadruple. What's after quadruple? Quintuple box unboxing. Anyway, so this is the MMI turret. They have the date in the center here. You can see that orange. I had one previously, and the orange was a little bit lighter of a color, so that was a lot easier to see. Yeah, that's done well, and I like the orange around the perimeter as well. Hopefully you can see by eye, this is a real neon colored orange. I hope it's coming across your end of the camera as well. So that looks good. So this other one must be the chronograph H-link style bracelet. Yeah, so this is the chronograph I had in the gray dial before. This guy here is an automatic movement. I think it's Seiko NH35. I don't exactly remember, but we'll talk about that in a future video. This is a Seiko Mecha Quartz, and it's a PVD coated steel bezel insert. So it has a little bit different look to it than you would see with anodized aluminum. And we have these screw down pushers as well. And they are screwed down. Quite. Oh, you know what? Those are pretend. That's why. Sorry about that. I was thinking of the, not that I've ever seen one in person, the Daytona. There we go. So that works wonderfully. Sorry, maybe I went too fast with this one. Nice looking watch. They wear pretty well on wrist too. Each link bracelet is comfortable. So yeah, I'll do a short, quick video with this one as well, since I've had one in the past. Which I think I've had 2 of them so far. So this might be the 3rd one I've had. All different colorways, so you need to check them out. Alright, let's set this over to the side here. I don't exactly remember what's in these. Oh, okay. Detroit Mint watches. Right there. Detroit Mint. These guys are based in, I think, Waterford, Michigan. Not too far away from me. I have no idea what movement is in here. I'm assuming it's a Chinese automatic movement. Chronograph, which isn't going to work because it's not wound up. So this looks a lot like the Citizen Bullhead. So obviously not a screw down crown. Okay, there we go. Stop. So I don't know why it's not stopping. Oh. Okay, so this one is the reset. This isn't start stop. Okay, yeah, that would make sense because the movement's basically like this on the side. So this would be start stop, and then this would be reset. So I don't know why I was thinking that was start stop because this anyway. But yeah, now I know how it works. So very cool. All right, let's put this one back in the case and we'll get the next one out. Trying to do these unboxings a little bit quicker. Wow, rose gold colored bracelet to match the case. I don't think I'll try that. All right, let's just pile these up over there. Another bracelet. Okay, so now we have a stainless steel version. I think I would just leave these on the strap. I kind of like how these look on the strap. All right, let's start it up. This button here on the left, the pusher on the left. Stop and then reset. Now, I almost wonder if this is an automatic version of the ST1901, which I've had in another Detroit Mint watch I had in for loan, and then also on my HK Ed 1963 Seagull. Yeah, I'll have to do a little bit more research and we'll figure that out. We'll talk about it in the full video. Yeah, neat looking watch. Oh, looks like it might be another chronograph. Looks like the exact same case, but a little bit different shape. I mean, the pushers are on the side. And I've not put any of these on wrist. I'll throw this one on wrist, and the other one with the pushers on the top, and then we'll close out the video. Yeah, kind of a funky looking watch, really, but not quite my style, but it's fun to have them in hand to play around with them. Check them out for a little bit. All right, let's set that over there. We'll throw this on wrist. I'll zoom out as well. You'll see the mess on my desk. So one more tighter lug hole here, which usually doesn't happen. Well, it might happen somewhat. I think the strap's a little bit short because I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and there's not that much left here. Maybe an inch, maybe an inch and a half. So if you have a 8-inch wrist, probably not going to work. 8-inch or larger. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. I'll zoom out here. Now try and find the gold one and throw that one back on here. Bit of a thick watch. Oh, the stitching's kind of neat. You have the red stitch there and then the two white ones on the outside. I've never really seen a leather watch with the stitch going right there like that. Maybe it's because these are probably supposed to be racing watches. Not so sure about the color on this one. Alright, we'll zoom in and I'll hold them side by side, then we'll close out the video. Alright, as always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.